I think we're ready to go. Hello, each and every one of you. My name is Jay. I'm one of the expert IELTS teachers at E2 Language. In this live class, we're going to do something I think is really important. We're going to look at IELTS speaking, we're going to look at pronunciation, and we're going to practice the 44 sounds of English. That's right, there are 44 sounds in English, like k, d, f, s. We're going to go through them all. What I want you to do in this live class is identify which sounds you are particularly weak at. I want you to improve them because pronunciation accounts for 25% of your grade in IELTS speaking. In other words, it's really important. Plus, it's just good to be able to pronounce all of these 44 sounds accurately anyway in your job, on the street, wherever you use English, so people won't be frustrated or strained to understand you. It's just a good thing in life to be easily understood, okay? Language is just that beautiful thing that allows us to be understood by other people, and the sounds we make are the little vehicles that allow that. Cool, so let's get started. First thing I just want to talk to you about is IELTS speaking, how it's scored, okay? This crazy looking document here is what the IELTS examiner is looking at on test day. If you've taken the IELTS before, you'll notice that while you're doing the speaking, the IELTS examiner will be sitting there listening to you, but also noting something down. What is he or she noting down? Well, it's this. They're looking at this in particular. They're listening for 4 things, okay? So this is an IELTS 9. This is an IELTS 8, 7, 6, etc. This one is about your fluency and coherence. In other words, how smoothly you speak. This one's about vocabulary. This one's about your grammar. And this one here is about your pronunciation. This is what we're going to look at in this lesson, pronunciation. And we're going to look at how to get that 9 score, okay? So, IELTS 9 pronunciation. Well, technically, this is what the IELTS examiners are looking at. You use a full range of pronunciation features with precision and subtlety. This is confusing. This is what it means simply. So, to get an IELTS 9 in pronunciation, you can say all 44 sounds of English accurately. You can say all 44 sounds easily. In other words, you are effortless to understand. You are effortless to understand. What does that mean? Well, here I've made a bit of a chart. What I think, this is based on the IELTS score criteria we just looked at. So let's break it down. So an IELTS 8 to 9 is what could be considered to be native-like. In other words, you are effortless to understand. It's just, you say something to me and I don't have to sort of interpret it. I don't have to say, huh? I just immediately register what you say because your pronunciation is accurate. That is effortless, easy. That's the stage you want to get to. Blah. Next one, advanced. Well, that's sort of like, yep, very good, very good. I gotcha, I understand you. Next one would be 6 to 7 is good. It's sort of like, okay, yeah, I understand you, but maybe some of the words or some of the sounds you're saying are incorrect. Fine. 5 to 6 is like, what? What's that? Sorry? I'm misunderstanding you because it's unclear, because maybe you're mispronouncing quite a few of those 44 sounds. Then we get down to quite the low score of the 4 to 5, and that's seriously like, sorry, I don't understand you. Can you say that again? And finally, if you're a 0 to 4, it's like, what? I don't understand you at all. So let's have a look at those 44 sounds in spoken English. We're going to go through them part by part because we've got consonants like the d, f, m, t, etc. We've got short vowels, a, e, I, o, a. We've got long vowels like a, e, I. We're going to go through all 44 sounds, and I know this might seem a little bit silly or juvenile or childish. I want you to repeat after me when we do this, okay? And I want you to sort of reflect upon your own pronunciation and try to identify which sounds you are mispronouncing or not hitting exactly, because you want to hit those sounds exactly. And if you're not getting them, please try and do something to rectify it, to fix it. So let's start with the 19 consonant sounds. This is what we're going to look at. And the way we're going to do this is this. We're going to start with the sound. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go b, 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 b. And I want you to look at my mouth. B, b, b. Then we're going to do some practice words. Then we'll go to the next sound and the next sound. Do stick around. I know this might get a bit tiresome, but it's going to start easy. Then it's going to become harder. So stick around. Here we go. So we'll start with b. Ready? B, 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 b. Fine. So we've got ball, ribbon, ball, ribbon. Next we've got d, 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 d. We've got dog, add, filled, dog, add, filled. Then we got f, 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 f. My teeth are just on my lip. F, 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 f. So we've got words like fan, cliff, phone, laugh, calf, often. You can hear the f, f, f sound. Let's go through them again. Fan, cliff, phone, laugh, calf, often. And you can see the crazy spelling of English. It's still the same sound. It's still the same f, f, f sounds. But here we have what? Like a PH for phone, laugh at the end of the word, LF, calf, f, f. It's all making this sound here. Next one, g. This is really coming from the sort of lower throat area. G, 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 g. So we've got words like grapes, egg, ghost, guest, catalog, grapes, egg, ghost, guest, catalog. Cool. Next one. Let's have a look at this sound here. This is the h sound. H, 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 h. Hat, who, hat, who. Next one, j, 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 j. It's right at the front of the mouth there, j, 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 j. Words like jelly, cage, giraffe, edge, soldier, exaggerate, jelly, cage, giraffe, edge, soldier, exaggerate. Next one, we've got k, k, k. These are pretty common ones, by the way. You probably have these in your language. Some of you may not. Let's keep going. K, 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 k. So, kite, cat, chrome, acclaim, queen, back, box, folk, cat, chrome, acclaim, queen, back, box, folk. Now, by this stage, you're probably freaking out because there's so many different ways to spell that k sound. Spelling aside, what I want to focus on is just the sound, trying to get the k, 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 k sound right. Yes, there are various ways to spell k. For example, the Q or the C or whatever it is. But that's beside the point. Just focus on the sound. K, 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 k. Let's keep going. This one, East Asians, Koreans, Japanese usually struggle with l, 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 l. This one's like my tongue is just behind my top teeth, going l, l. My tongue actually hits my top teeth. L. Words like love, for example. Or words like leaf, spell. It's not spell, it's not reef, it's leaf and spell. Cool. Next one. Here we go. We're getting through the consonants now. This one, let's start with m. This is just lips. M. Monkey. Summer. Climb. Autumn. Palm. M. Next one. N. Nest. Funny. Night. Gnat. Pneumonia. Now, this is very rare. These are very rare. Usually the n sound will come from these types of letters, or even this is very rare. Usually it's just these two. Next one, ng comes from my throat. Ng. And it sounds like this. Ring, or sink, or tongue. Again, this is very rare. Next one, p. It's just purely lips and you're shooting air out. You should be able to feel on your hand, p. It's almost like you're spitting air. P. So, words like pig. It's not b, it's not big, it's pig. Happy. Cool. Second last one. Here we go. What do we got? We got r, such as robot. Carrot. Wrong. Rhyme. Next one. S. Such as sun. Mess. Circus. Rice. I just should stop there because a lot of Vietnamese speakers and some Southeast Asian speakers struggle to hit the final S. For example, I hear Vietnamese speakers say, rye, I eat rye. No, it's rice. You have to get the s. Or the number 6. It's not sick. No. It's 6. That final S makes all the difference to my understanding of what you're saying. Without that S sound, the word is unclear. You must, even if it feels very strange and you feel weird doing it, practice it, make it become normal to you or feel normal. Cool. Horse. Science. Psychology. Listen. Cool. Next one. T. Words like tap. Batter. Thomas. And interestingly, past tense verbs like mapped. It's almost like saying mapped. Next one, Indian speakers and South Asians, Bangladeshis, Pakistanis. This is a big problem for you guys. You need to hit the V, not W. It's not W. There's no rounding of the mouth. This is purely bottom lip on top teeth saying V. Okay? Words like van, or of, or a name like Stephen, Stephen, Stephen. Or number 5, 5, 5. Cool. These are the last 3 consonants. So this is the one that South Asians mix up. Here's the w. Okay, let's do this one. Web, web, web. Y, y. Quick, quick, quick. Choir, choir, choir. So that's the w sound. Next one. Y, 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 y. Such as yo-yo, 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 or opinion, 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 y, 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 y. Last consonant sound, z, 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 z. It's not s, s, s. It's z, z, z. Such as zebra, zebra, zebra. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Has, has. Scissors, scissors, scissors. Xylitol, xylitol, xylitol. Maze, maze, maze. Cool, nice. So they are the consonants. We've just gone through, how many was there? 18, I believe. 18, I think. Consonant sounds. So that's usually letters of the alphabet like k, d, f, m. Now we're going to look at 5 consonant combination sounds. Remember, we're doing 44 in total. We've done 18. Let's keep going. 5 consonant combination sounds. Here are the 5 consonant combinations. The first one is j, j, j. J, 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 j. Strangely, my bottom lip goes down. J, j, j. Here it is. Words like treasure, treasure, treasure. Or division, division, division. Next one. Sh, 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 sh. Words like shark, shark, shark. Ocean, ocean, ocean. Conscience, conscience, conscience. Shore, shore, shore. Station, station, station. Special, special, special. Tension, tension, tension. Machine, machine, machine. Cool. Let's do ch, 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 ch. Words like cheese, cheese, cheese. Or watch, watch, watch. Or future, future, future. Or question, question, question. Or righteous, 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 righteous. Okay, these are really problematic for a lot of different language backgrounds. So it's TH words like think versus feather. Now there are 2 types. I'm going to talk you through the 2 types. This first one is my tongue is below my 2 top teeth and there's no sound through my throat. It's purely coming from my teeth in the air. The second one, this one here, like the, is different because I can feel it in my throat. The. Okay, so let's do the first one. Whoops. So words like think, 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 think. It's not sink, sink, sink. It's think, think, think. I'm blowing the air between my teeth and my tongue. Think, 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 think. And the next one is the one that I make the sound in my throat, like feather, 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 the, feather. They are 2 really critical ones. You may want to practice those ones. They seem to be very problematic for a lot of different language backgrounds, okay? Cool, nice. Now we're on to the 6 short vowel sounds, okay? So here are all of the 6 short vowel sounds. The first one is ah, 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 ah. I should remind you that every single word in English has a vowel. So you have to get these sounds right, because these sounds like ah, eh, I, o, ah, u are in every word. So if you're missing one, imagine the effect or the impact that that has on your pronunciation. In other words, you have to get all 6 of these accurate, precise, okay? Let's do the first one. So cat, 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 cat. Next one. Whoops, sorry, let me turn my phone off. You shouldn't hear my messages. Eh, 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 eh. Words like egg, 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 or bread, 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 or leopard, 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 or berry, 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 or heifer, 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 or friend, 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 or said, 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 or many, 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 many. Next one. E, 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 E. Words like igloo, 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 or England, 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 or sieve, 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 or women, 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 or busy, 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 or build, 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 or hypnotize, hypnotize, hypnotize. E, E, E. Next one. Oh, 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 oh. Words like orange, 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 or swan, 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 or honest, honest, honest. Next one. Ah, 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 ah. Words like mug, 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 or monkey, 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 or flood, 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 or trouble, trouble, trouble. Then finally, for these short vowel sounds, ooh, ooh, ooh. This one, I sound like a bit of a monkey when I do this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Words like book, 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 or bush, 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 or could, 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 or woof, woof, woof. Cool, nice, we're getting there. So we've got 15 long vowel sounds left for our 44. So let's go through each of these. These ones are probably quite unique to English. This is where it starts to get difficult, these combination or long vowel sounds. Let's go through some of them so you know what I mean. First one is a, 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 a. Words like snail, 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 or baby, 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 or vein, 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 or wait, 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 or gauge, 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 or straight, straight, straight. Or this one is when you have the A here and the E at the end, like cake or bake or make or wake. A, 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 A. Or let's do this one. Hey, hey, break, break, croquet, croquet, they. Let's look at this one here. This is E, long E, 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 E. Words like be, 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 me, 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 brief, 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 seat, 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 ski, 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 lady, 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 receive, 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 key, 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 people, 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 phoenix, phoenix. This is very rare, by the way, very rare, phoenix. And this is extremely rare. You'll hardly ever see this. Maybe a couple of words in English. Key, key, key. But still, it's the long E sound. Next one. I. Words like spider, spider, spider. Fly, fly, fly. Aisle, aisle, aisle. night, night, night. Island, island, island. Pie, pie, pie. Height, height, height. Buy, buy, buy. Here we've got the I, and the E, the I and the E. Kite, kite, kite. Rye, rye, rye. And the fourth one here, long O sound, long O, like O, 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 O. Words like boat, boat, boat. Here we have the O and the E at the end, like bone, bone, bone. Bow, bow, bow. Open, open, open. Broach, broach, broach. Toe, toe, toe. So, so, so. Low, low, low. Though, though, though. There's the long O sound. Cool. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Here we go. So this is the oo sound. Oo, oo, oo. Oo, 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 oo. Words like moon, moon, moon. Screw, screw, screw. Fruit, fruit, fruit. Blue, blue, blue. Who, who. This is the U and E at the end. Words like flute, 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 or mute, mute, mute. No, actually mute's different. Sorry, we'll get to mute. This one's very rare. In fact, I'm not going to do it. Shoe, shoe, shoe. Through, through, through. Next one. This is the U sound that mute. So this is the U, 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 Y, Y, U. Words like uniform, uniform, uniform. You, you, you. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Few, few, few. View, view, view. Feud, feud, feud. All right, I realize this is quite exhausting. I'm getting tired doing this. We've only got a few more to do, okay? So let's get to the end of the 44. Then in your own time, I want you to go back and practice this in your own time with every single sound to identify the ones that you're mispronouncing, because this is the only way to improve, is to dig down to this depth, to look at those 44 sounds and go, you know what? I'm mispronouncing 4 of these. I need to work on the w sound, for example. You need to do the hard work to find that out. By the way, if you don't want to do the hard work, you can always just sign up for a paid package at e2language.com. Meet with a teacher like me online. Have a one-on-one tutorial on speaking and let us identify your weaknesses, which will make it a lot easier. Do think about going to e2language.com, by the way. Let's finish this. Here we go. Now, this one's a bit of an Australian one. Oi, oi. This is a real Aussie sound, by the way. Oi, 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 oi. Words like coin, coin, coin. Or boy, boy, boy. Ow, ow, ow. Next one. Ow, ow, ow. Words like cow, cow, cow. Shout, shout, shout. Bow, bow, bow. This one is an odd sound. This is kind of like an It's almost like a short vowel sound. Lad, Let's just do this one here. So words like ladder, ladder, ladder. Dollar, dollar, dollar. Cactus, cactus, cactus. Honor, honor, honor. Auger, auger, auger. Doctor, doctor, doctor. Center, center, center. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Ticket, ticket, ticket. Changed a little bit there. I apologize. All right, how many have we got left? I want to have a look. Okay, that's it. We've got 2 more. Here we go, 10, 11, and 12. Let's do, this is the air, 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 air. So long vowel sound like air, 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 air. Words like chair, chair, chair. Or square, square, square. Or pair, pair, pair. or where, or there, or prayer. Then we've got are. Now, here's a bit of a difference between American English and, say, Australian English. In Australia, we'd say car, and we sort of miss the R sound, whereas Americans tend to go R, like I have a red car, but Australians say car. So I'll do the sort of neutral in between, okay? So we've got car. Actually, this is, Americans would say bath, but I'll do Australian. Bath. Laugh. Sergeant. Heart. Let's do these ones again in Aussie sort of accent. Car. Bath. Laugh. Sergeant. Heart. This one's It's like two vowels put together. Like that. So we've got words like bird, or term, or burn, or pearl, or word, or journey. Last one, ladies and gentlemen. Let's finish this on a high. We've got 13, 14, and 15. Or. Here we go. Words like pour, ball, for, fork, taught, door, war, more, bought, board, sauce, ear. Words like here, steer, here, peer, ear. Last one, here we go. Cure, you. So, words like cure. Tourist. Actually, this one's a bit different. I apologize. That's not quite it. Anyway, oh my God. We've just done the 44 sounds of English. That's all of them. Now, as I said, you're probably thinking, how will I possibly remember all of these? Well, we saw a lot of different ways that you would spell the sound. So we saw like, or like this one here, for example, this sound here, or has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different ways to spell it, but it's just the one sound. So the spelling is separate from the sound. Just get the sound right. 44 of them. We just did them all. Really good practice if you go and do them again. Feel free to share this video, by the way, if you think it's helpful. Cool. Fine. Let's do something else. Let's talk about word stress, because this also impacts your pronunciation. What do I mean by word stress? Well, have a look at these 3 ways to say this word here. Now, I want you to tell me which way is correct. Is it A, photography with an emphasis or stress on photo and then no stress on graphy? Or is B correct? Photography with an emphasis on the ta. Or is C correct? Photography. So just type into the chat which is correct, A, B, or C. Photography, photography, or photography? Let's have a look at what you've got here. Drum roll, and yes, most of you have got it right. I'll show you the answers at the end. Let's do this one. Considerably, 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 or considerably, considerably. You can see how different the word sounds where we place the stress or how we split that word up. Is it considerably, considerably? I can't even do B. B's just, forget B. Or is it C, considerably, considerably? Which is right? Let's do number 3. Is it democracy? Democracy? Sorry. I can't say, it's hard to do. Is it democracy? 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 Or is it B, democracy? Democracy with emphasis on the mo sound? Or is it C, democracy? 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 So is it democracy, democracy, or democracy? Democracy. Massive differences in the way that you say these words depending on where you place the emphasis on the sound. So number 4, is it argument, argument, or is it argument, 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 or is it C, argument, argument, argument? What about number 5? Is it curriculum, 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 or is it curriculum, 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 or is it curriculum, curriculum, curriculum? Last one, number 6. Is it information? Sorry, information, information, information? Is it information, information, information? Or is it C, information, information, information? Let's have a look at these answers. The answers are this. Number 1 was B, photography, photography, photography. And you can hear that I'm emphasizing the ta, ta, ta. Photography, photography, photography. Considerably, considerably, considerably. I think I mispronounced that one wrong. I apologize. Emphasis here, considerably, considerably, especially on this S sound. Democracy, democracy, democracy. Argument, argument, argument. You can hear that it's almost like big emphasis here and then this trails off here. Argument, argument. It's curriculum, curriculum, curriculum. And it's information, information, information. It's difficult. It's subtle. It's very subtle. But you can hear the difference it makes if you say this incorrectly. Basically, if you put the stress on the wrong sound in the word, I'm going to have trouble understanding what you're saying. Because if you say to me, Jay, I'm really good at photography, I'll think, what? Photography? But then it will take me an instant and I'll go, oh, photography. I understand what you mean. So that word stress or word emphasis is really critical to being understood effortlessly. Right. Let's do some practice. We've done a lot of looking at all the different individual parts of sounds and the 44 sounds and the long vowels and the short vowels and the consonants, blah, 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 blah. Let's just do some practice of reading aloud. I think this, by the way, reading something aloud is probably one of the best ways to improve your pronunciation. So let's play a little game. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you 30 seconds to read through this complicated paragraph and then 30 seconds again to read through it again. So your 30 seconds starts now to practice reading through this. Okay, I'm going to read it once and then I want you to read after me, okay? So here we go. I'm going to read it through. The remains of a majestic female statue uncovered at an archaeological site in southeast Turkey may challenge our understanding of the public role of women in the ancient world. Excavations at a site near the Syrian border have unearthed a beautifully carved head and upper torso of a female figure. The remnants are largely intact. Okay, let's do it again. It's your turn. All of the 44 sounds of English, maybe not all of them, but most of them are in this paragraph. Here we go. Read it one more time as clearly as you possibly can, starting now. Cool. Let's do another one. I'll read it first, and then you read it. The combination of a bacterium that normally lives in the gut and a protein-rich diet promotes a more tolerant, less inflammatory gut immune system, according to new research. The findings in mice suggest a way to tilt the gut immune system away from inflammation, potentially spelling relief for people living with inflammatory bowel disease. Your turn. I want you to hit all of those sounds of English. Hit them accurately. Here we go. Your turn in 3, 2, 1, start. Cool. And one more. This one's going to be hard. This one's long. You have to read it perfectly. Here we go. I'll go first. Whoops. I'll move my little thing here. Hold on. Here we go. I'll read first and then you read. Ready? Humans and most other vertebrate animals die within a few minutes without oxygen. Yet goldfish and their wild relatives, crucian carp, can survive for days, even months in oxygen-free water at the bottom of ice-covered ponds. During this time, the fish are able to convert anaerobically produced lactic acid into ethanol, which then diffuses across their gills into the surrounding water and avoids a dangerous buildup of lactic acid in the body. Whoa, maybe it takes more than 30 seconds. Right, your turn. Ready? Read this one. I'll give you 30 seconds, but don't worry if you go over. 3, 2, 1, start. Cool. Let's have a look at these words because all of the sounds are here. H, y, 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 m, a, s, eh, d, m, mo, o, st, the. There's that the with the voice. Remember that one? The, the. Here's the v. So as I said, a lot of Indian, Pakistani, Bangladeshi speakers have problems with the vertebrates, not vertebrate. No. Vertebrate, v. So we looked at the 44 sounds of English. That's all there is. There are no more. There are only 44. You need to get them all right in order to get an IELTS. Well, for that particular part of speaking anyway, the pronunciation, to get an IELTS 9 in pronunciation, you need to be able to say all 44 sounds accurately and easily, to not struggle. It requires practice. If you need help, by the way, with any of your speaking, I suggest that you check out this website if you're not already on this website watching this, e2language.com. If you need help with your IELTS speaking, do check it out. Now I'm going to go to Q&A, and we'll do a little bit of Q&A, and I'll stop my recording there.